Okay, in this video I want to briefly address the topic of conclusions. What is the point of a conclusion? Well, three things jump out to my mind. One, you want to leave a lasting impression with your reader. And that means that you've been lots of places in your argument, you've probably explored different aspects of the issue, but by the end of the essay, you need to leave your reader with a clear picture of what it is that you have said. So leave a lasting impression. What that means is that you want to restate the outlines of the argument, the main reasons you have for why your thesis and not others is the correct one. In that sense, your introduction may parallel your conclusion quite closely. You might add a couple of extra elements, but basically they should be fairly symmetrical. And the last thing that you want to do in your essay is to briefly outline some possible implications for your view. Why does your answer matter? For example, if Socrates was a fool, right, we might be able to infer then that we should be more skeptical of martyrs in general, people who die for causes. Rather than admiring them, we should maybe be more skeptical of them. Right? So you want to, whatever your answer is, you need to give some idea of why it matters. And this is true for any question that you might be asked. You might say, okay, my answer leads to perhaps different answers in other areas, or perhaps it might lead us to rethink certain kinds of public policies. So overall, the point of your conclusion is to leave an impression, restate the main point so that your reader is left with a clear view of what it is that you have done, and of course, outline implications and possible consequences if your view happens to be the correct one.